companies are not hiring freshers for their jobs related to AI or data engineering. The reason is very simple. If I hire a fresher, there is nearly 9 months of time. I need to train, I need to invest my time. And after that, they are ready for a particular job. So they are not ready to wait that long. So what they are doing is they are hiring lateral hires. So lateral hires is more like the experienced candidates. At least you have an internship. At least you have a freelancing experience. So they are already trained at a real time level, at a client level. They know what exactly the pros and cons and how exactly they need to approach the stuff. And they know all the fundamentals of a corporate system. For that reason, instead of hiring simply a fresher, they are hiring already experienced people, intern people or a freelancing people. If you want to really bridge this particular gap, you're able to join BPEC internship programs on AI engineering, data science, data analytics, and data engineering. So now the problem with your job is not really about your lack of skills. The problem is your lack of experience. So there are a lot of students coming near me from USA, UK, and India who are doing their masters, who are doing their BTech, and who are doing their PGs, but they're unable to crack jobs. The only problem is what? You lack experience. So bridge the experience, bridge the gap of the reality or the real time industry, you are able to easily get hired into the current job market.